Manhattan Townhomes. Buying or selling a Manhattan townhome requires understanding legal rules that differ from condos and co-ops. These historic properties often date back more than a century and come with unique ownership responsibilities and legal considerations. A townhome owner controls the entire building and the land beneath it, which provides independence but also creates full responsibility for legal compliance. Unlike condos or co-ops, there is no board approval process or building bylaws governing daily decisions. However, owners must follow New York City building codes, zoning rules, and any applicable landmark preservation laws. One of the most important documents affecting a Manhattan townhome is the Certificate of Occupancy issued by the New York City Department of Buildings. The Certificate of Occupancy defines how the property can legally be used and how many dwelling units it may contain. If a building is legally designated as a single-family home, it cannot be divided into multiple units without changing that designation through the proper legal process. Mortgage lenders and insurance companies rely on the Certificate of Occupancy to determine eligibility for financing and coverage. If the actual use of the building does not match the legal designation, financing and insurance may be denied. Many older Manhattan townhomes were modified over decades without updated permits or documentation. These situations often require legal review and correction before a property transaction can close. Another key legal consideration involves whether the property is designated as single-family or multifamily housing. Single-family homes must be occupied by one household, while two-family or three-family buildings may legally contain multiple apartments. These classifications influence mortgage requirements, insurance policies, and property tax treatment. Townhomes located in historic districts may also fall under New York City's landmarks preservation law. Exterior changes such as replacing windows, altering the facade, or installing certain fixtures may require approval from the Landmarks Preservation Commission. Even routine renovation projects can require permits from the Department of Buildings depending on the scope of the work. Minor alterations may require simple permits, while structural changes or conversions between single-family and multifamily use require more complex approvals. Title searches also play an important role in Manhattan townhome transactions. A title review can reveal liens, open permits, easements, or violations that must be resolved before closing. Because many townhomes are over 100 years old, historical ownership records and past construction work can create legal complications. Working with a knowledgeable real estate lawyer helps identify potential risks and protect your interests during the transaction. A qualified attorney can review building records, analyze title reports, and ensure all legal requirements are addressed before closing. Another experienced lawyer may assist with resolving liens, coordinating inspections, and navigating city regulatory agencies. A skilled attorney can also guide buyers and sellers through contracts, disclosures, and closing procedures. Choosing the right law firm can make a significant difference when dealing with complex Manhattan real estate transactions. A trusted law firm can evaluate Certificate of Occupancy records, verify compliance issues, and address potential legal obstacles early in the process. For guidance with a Manhattan townhome transaction, contact Avenue Law Firm at 212-729-4090 located at 505 Park Avenue Suite 202, New York, New York, 10022, United States.